You a dead man. The gentle stride of the lion is not a symbol of cowardice. Know this.
When an elephant claims to be the king of the jungle, other animals celebrate its funeral.
The birthrights were exchanged and the privilege given to Loma as the first wife.
Father, I want to know, between Ogechi and I, who is older?
Oh no, tell this stupid boy to stop disrespecting me and sit down. You are the stupid boy here.
She will appear to you as a saint, but behind her, she is a demon.
I regret ever having you as a friend. Now let me assure you, you will not and cannot destroy this royal family.
Does it mean that our father's death is a blessing to us?
Obioma, I want you to marry my husband.
I don't want to remarry. Did you hear what I said? I don't want to remarry.
The happiness of this throne will not be complete without a male child that will succeed you.
As you can see, she's my baby. And we're getting married very soon.
There's a huge difference between us. You are the prince of Olaga Kingdom. And I am nobody.
Every bad thing you can think of, he has done all. There's this beautiful girl I like so much. He can't discourage me from approaching the girl. Then he went behind my back to go woo the girl.
Maybe it's the will of God for us not to be together. Your brother has already engaged me.
That happiness does not come from what we want, but from appreciating that which we have.